Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your fuel tank isn't just a storage container, it's a key part of your vehicle's health. Many drivers ignore fuel levels until the warning light flashes, but waiting that long can cost you. Keeping the right amount of fuel prevents wear on your engine, saves money, and keeps you safe on the road. This video explains why proper fuel levels matter for efficiency, performance, and avoiding breakdowns. You'll learn how a simple habit can extend your vehicle's life and reduce trips to the pump. Cost efficiency and savings. Let's talk money, because ignoring your fuel levels doesn't just risk your car's health, it hits your wallet too. Running on empty or constantly topping off leads to hidden expenses. Smart fuel habits cut costs in ways you might not expect. Preventing fuel pump damage. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool. When the tank dips too low, the pump sucks in air instead of fuel, causing it to overheat and wear out prematurely. A damaged pump isn't just a hassle. Replacements can cost anywhere from $200 to $1,000, depending on your vehicle. Keep the tank at least a quarter full to protect this expensive part. Avoiding emergency refueling costs. Ran out of gas. Now you're paying for more than just fuel. Emergency roadside services, tow trucks or rushed stops at premium-priced stations add up fast. Even small inconveniences, like diverting for last-minute refills, waste time and gas. Consistently maintaining a healthy fuel level keeps you in control of where and when you fill up, optimizing fuel consumption rates. Your car burns fuel more efficiently with a steady supply. Here's how proper levels help. Reduced condensation. Low fuel levels create empty space where moisture collects. Water in the tank dilutes gasoline, making your engine work harder. Consistent pressure. A fuller tank maintains stable fuel system pressure, which helps your engine run smoothly. Fewer detours. Planning fill-ups around cheaper stations instead of desperation stops saves cents per gallon, which adds up over a year. Think of your fuel tank like a bank account. Let it run too low, and you'll pay overdraft fees in repairs and inefficiency. Keep it balanced, and you'll spend less in the long run. Vehicle performance and longevity. Keeping your fuel tank at the right level doesn't just save money, it keeps your car running better for longer. Think of your fuel system like your body's circulatory system. When everything flows smoothly, your vehicle operates at its best. But let it run too low too often, and you're inviting problems that slowly wear down critical parts. Reducing sediment buildup in the tank. Over time, tiny particles and debris settle at the bottom of your fuel tank. When you frequently drive with low fuel, the pump sucks up these contaminants instead of clean gasoline. This is like drinking from the bottom of a muddy glass. It might work, but you're swallowing grit you shouldn't. Here's how sediment harms your vehicle. Clogs fuel filters. Dirty fuel forces filters to work overtime, leading to replacement sooner than expected. Wears injectors. Gritty fuel can scratch and damage delicate fuel injectors, reducing precision spray patterns. Reduces efficiency. Contaminated fuel burns poorly, robbing your engine of power and mileage. Aim to keep at least a quarter tank of fuel to minimize sediment pickup. Regular fill-ups dilute existing debris, giving your system cleaner fuel to work with. Maintaining optimal engine performance. Your engine thrives on consistency. Low fuel levels create extra strain, much like sprinting on an empty stomach. The fuel pump has to work harder to draw gas from a near-empty tank, and pressure fluctuations can cause uneven engine performance. Signs your fuel habits might be hurting performance. Hesitation or jerking during acceleration. Rough idling or stalling. Decreased fuel economy. Modern engines rely on precise air-fuel ratios. When the system struggles to maintain pressure due to low fuel, your car compensates, but not perfectly. Keeping your tank above the quarter mark helps everything run smoothly, preventing corrosion and rust. Moisture loves empty space. When your tank is frequently low, humidity condenses on the interior walls, mixing with fuel and creating water buildup. Water and metal don't mix. Rust starts small but spreads fast, especially in steel fuel tanks. Why it matters. Rust flakes can clog fuel lines or injectors, creating costly blockages. Water dilutes gasoline, reducing combustion efficiency. Corrosion weakens the tank over time, risking leaks. Parking with a fuller tank reduces air exposure, cutting down on condensation. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your fuel system from silent damage. Safety concerns. Running low on fuel isn't just an inconvenience, it's a safety risk. Ignoring your fuel gauge can lead to dangerous situations, from getting stranded in unsafe areas to increasing the chance of fire or contamination. Maintaining proper fuel levels isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting yourself and your vehicle. Avoiding running out of fuel in risky situations. Picture this. You're on a quiet stretch of highway at night, and your fuel light glows red. Suddenly the engine sputters. Now you're stuck, waiting for help in an exposed location. Key risks of running out of fuel. Stranded in unsafe areas. Breakdowns in high crime zones or remote roads leave you vulnerable. Emergency delays. Running out of gas mid-commute can make you late for critical appointments. Weather exposure. Sitting in extreme heat or cold while waiting for roadside assistance is avoidable. Aim to refuel before the quarter tank mark. It gives you a buffer for unexpected traffic or detours. Preventing fuel contamination. Low fuel levels invite water and debris into your system. The more empty space in your tank, the more room for condensation to form. Water mixed with fuel doesn't burn. It gums up the works. How contamination causes problems. Engine misfires. Water in the fuel disrupts combustion, leading to shaky acceleration. Microbial growth. Stagnant fuel breeds bacteria that clog filters and injectors. Corrosion. Moisture speeds up rust inside your tank and fuel lines. Keeping your tank at least half full reduces air exposure, cutting the risk of water buildup. Reducing fire hazards. Fuel vapors are highly flammable, and an empty tank holds more explosive vapor than a full one. While modern vehicles are designed with safety measures, ignoring fuel levels increases risk. We've covered how low fuel levels can damage your engine and fuel system. But there's more to know about fuel economy and safety. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.